So the question is, explain the violet color of the complex TiH2O6. The charge on the compound is +3 on the basis of crystal field theory. So we know that in the ground state it has 23 electrons and the atomic number is also 23 with the electronic configuration of 3d3 4s2. So in this compound, its oxidation state is +3 as H2 is a neutral molecule. So it's now it will have the configuration of 3d2. We just remove 3 electrons from its ground state configuration. So since it has 2 unpaired electrons, it has the ability to undergo DD transition. The given complex gives violet color. Okay. If there had been no unpaired electrons, so there the compound would have been uh, a colorless compound, right? Because there will be no DD transition. For DD transition, what happens is that the unpaired electron transits from a low energy state to the higher energy state, leading to some color is observed in that compound because of the DD transition. Just remember this much.